Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can set out of office in your Gmail app on your Android phone. So at the start, open the Gmail app. Now tap on this profile icon. Not profile icon, go to the 3-line button and slide down to the settings. Now just tap on desired mail and slide down to the out of office auto reply. Now just tap on it, choose your custom range, just switch it on, choose your custom range, add a subject, and send a message. If you set the message, you can choose that option or not, just click done, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.